Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure to have your company as always. It's a pleasure making a video for you. I'm just coming on with a quick haul today. I managed to get out and get a few bits and pieces with a mate of mine. So it's a Poundland haul and TK Maxx, Clas, Olson, W.H. Smith's, let's see what else. Yeah, and I think that's it. Yeah. So first of all, what I got from TK Maxx is this little Santa Claus for my puppy. I can't wait for him to put this on. So he'll be putting that on. Isn't it just lovely? So I got that from TK Maxx, and this was £6 I paid for this, and I can't wait for him to put it on. So I got that, and from Poundland I got him his rawhide advent calendar as well. So he ate yesterday and today, so the first and the second. He's still got his second one here. Yeah, so he's got his second one on the floor here. He's nibbling it now and again, and I picked that up from Poundland for £1, of course. And then I got him these doggy biscuits. That's a Christmas tree, and he's got his dog biscuits in there. And it says, Merry Christmas, Drools, dog biscuits, tasty dog treats. So I can't wait to open those and give him some. And continuing on with Poundland, I managed to pick up some crafts and stationery bits. So I got myself this pen. I don't know how it writes. It says it's a quote pen, and I quite like that. So I'm going to check it out and see what it does, and take it from there. Yep. I also got some more blank card with envelopes. There's 15 in here, and I need to make a few more Christmas cards, so I'm going to crack on with those tomorrow. So I had to get these, I needed them. And I got this roll of Christmas cellophane because I want to wrap my doggy's little bits and pieces, and he'll be able to see through it. So I'll wrap his stuff in that, and put it nearby his seating and everything, so he can have a rummage through with that. I also got from Poundland these glitters. Loving this colour, this pink glitter. It's lovely. So I'm not quite sure if I want to make some pink Christmas cards. I'll see. And the silver. Oh, they're lovely, and they look really nice and fine as well. So I'm really happy to have picked those up. I also got this clear stamp. It's got 3 in it. It's got the snowflake, the Merry Christmas, and the reindeer. So I've got that because I've got the paper pad to it. I've also got the washi tape as well. So I thought I'd pick that up. I'm not sort of getting into Christmas this year as I usually do. So this will be handy for next year, I guess. And what else did I get from Poundland? Poundland's got these washi tapes. I don't know how old they are, but every time I go into Poundland I always look for washi tapes, and I haven't seen these. No, I definitely haven't got these. So they're really nice. They've got the gold foiling on this one, the pink with the gold foiling on there. And this one's a striped one with the gold foil. And polka dots. And this one is striped with polka dots on it. And this one is really lovely. This one's gold foiling as well. So I've got those to add to my washi tape collection. I picked up these wine gums because I love wine gums, I really do. And there's four in here, made with natural colours. And they're the Maynard's Bassets. And I really love wine gums. So I've got those. Those will keep me going when I'm crafting. I also got these as well, the mini cheddar cheese biscuits by Jacobs, and these were £1, and I love these. I normally get them in the packets, but when I saw it in the tub, I thought I'd get them. So I really do. I do love them. So those are 2 treats for myself, and I went into Clas Olson as well, and I picked up this book cover plastic. I've never, well, no, I can't say I've never used it, but it's been a long time since I've used this. When I used to cover my books when I was at school, I used to use this. So I'm going to try it out and see how I get on with that. This was £2.49, and it's 40 centimetres by 2 metres. So that's not too bad. Yep. So that was that, and I picked up my Michelle Obama, her new book, Becoming, and I was happy to get that. I got this from W.H. Smith's. It was originally £25, and you get £7 off, and I paid 18 for it. So I can't wait to get stuck into this book. Can't wait. I love reading. I really do love reading. And I like writing in my notebooks and my journals. So that's that. That's my little mini haul of my bits and bobs. Thank you for taking time to watch my video, and I hope to catch you back real soon. I most probably, when I finish doing all the Christmas cards, I most probably just make a quick video to display them for you. So that's it really. Again, thank you for watching my video, and catch you back real soon. Bye for now. Bye bye.